is their IDs down here.
Okay.
She rear-ended them at the roundabout. She's very 96. She's refusing to move her car to the roadway because the CIA told her that she's not allowed to. And she wishes to speak to...
Yeah, you know, we've dealt with her before.
Yeah,
we've dealt with her a lot before.
Is that the one that stays off
Officers respond to a car accident at a roundabout where a woman rear-ended another vehicle. The woman is refusing to move her car from the roadway, claiming the CIA instructed her not to listen to police. Officers recognize her from previous encounters. Under traffic law, drivers involved in accidents must move vehicles to the side when safe to do so, especially when blocking traffic. The woman's refusal to comply, combined with references to the CIA, suggests possible mental health crisis. Officers must balance traffic safety, accident investigation, and potential psychiatric emergency.
So, this is their IDs down here.
Okay.
She rear-ended them at the roundabout. She's very 96. She's refusing to move her car to the roadway because the CIA told her that she's not allowed to. And she wishes to speak to...
Yeah, you know, we've dealt with her before.
Yeah.
We've dealt with her a lot before.
Is that the one that stays off
I don't know where she stays.
I didn't know she had a car.
You come with me?
Yeah.
She's refusing to move.
Okay. I don't
She refusing to do anything. She was normally she's putting her hand in my face. We've tried to ask her to move her car. I don't know what else. She won't.
She won't move unless the top cop comes and tells her.
Hey, top cop right here.
Yep.
There we go.
Hold on it.
Officers attempt to communicate with the woman who identifies herself as Asia or Alicia. She insists she will only speak to the top officer on scene. When the senior officer arrives, she continues, claiming the CIA told her to stay in place. Officers repeatedly explain the CIA is not present and ask her to move the vehicle for safety. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, officers have authority to order occupants out of vehicles during traffic stops. This extends to accident scenes where vehicles obstruct traffic. The woman's fixation on the CIA and refusal to acknowledge reality indicate she is experiencing a mental health episode.
How you doing, ma'am? Pretty good. Hey, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Aisha. Look, we thought
Aisha?
the same thing.
Okay.
We thought the same thing. May I have your name?
Yes, it's Officer Hart.
May I have your name again?
I'm Officer Gonzalez.
Okay. Aisha, can you do me a favor and at least pull your car over there?
What is your break?
I'm a police officer. I'm actually a senior officer to him, okay? So I'm the one that's actually handling this accident.
So the CIA told me to sit here until the top police officer.
That will be me. Okay, well, here, Aisha, the CIA is not here.
Aisha is not in the car.
The CIA is not here.
There's no Aisha in the car.
Is your car in park?
Well, if it wasn't in park, wouldn't I be moving?
You can have your foot on the brake.
Incorrect.
Here's the deal. Right now, I am the actual officer on scene. I am asking you to move your car over there. If you cannot do that, you're going to get... The CIA is not here on scene. All right.
Officers give multiple warnings that she must either move the car or exit the vehicle. The woman refuses all commands, repeatedly invoking the CIA. Paramedics evaluate her and determine she is oriented to person, place, and time despite her delusional statements. This creates a legal dilemma. She appears aware of her surroundings but refuses lawful orders based on false beliefs. Under Illinois mental health law, officers can petition for emergency psychiatric evaluation when someone poses a danger. However, her refusal to move creates an immediate traffic hazard requiring action regardless of mental state.
So are you just going to stay here the whole time? I'm asking you again, are you going to stay right here? I'm talking to you, ma'am. Are you going to stay right here? Either you move the car or I'm going to have to ask you to get out of the car. The CIA is not here for that. What is my name?
The CIA told me that it's not that.
So you're not moving the car? Can you please get out of the car, please? Alright, here. Tell Gavin to hang this one up and get over here, because we're about
Gavin. Gavin.
Hey, so if you can, go over to the other side and open the door and go for a seatbelt so I can start getting higher. If you're not going to move your car, I need you to get out of the car so we can move, alright?
So Officer Artez is the senior officer on duty for me, okay? So he's going to be the one that you're going to talk to in this report, okay?
Plus, you didn't involve in an accident. We got EMS right here. All right? Yes.
I already refused the service.
Okay.
And they said I didn't have to sign anything.
Fair enough, but you
That's
just can't
fair.
sit here all day.
Yep. We have to move out of the way of traffic. For your safety and ours.
So I'm going to ask you one more time, can you please exit the vehicle before I have to move you out of the vehicle? I'm asking you. Fair enough. All right. So I'm getting her out. You guys okay with that?
Yeah. Oh, what are we doing with that?
Well, she's 1096.
So what do you want us to transport?
You cannot transport me. I already refused service and you said okay.
Did you ask her?
She's anal for.
Huh?
She's anal for. Unless there's a legal reason, I don't know.
Yes, they already asked me the questions of what day it is, who the president is, my name. Yes.
What's she do with those questions? So here.
She said perfect, actually.
All right, great. I'm happy with that. So here's the deal. What is going on here? You're sitting in the middle of the road. This officer here has asked you to move. You refuse to move. I'm actually the senior officer on scene.
Ma'am.
So are you going to move over to the side? Because that's the simple question. I was wanting you to move. No, you're not answering my questions. Okay, I asked you a question. You say you've already answered. You have not answered it. So either you can get out or you can move the car. At this point, I'm asking you to get out because you refuse to move the car. You've been involved in an accident. You've answered her questions. You just cannot sit here all day.
Maybe.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, just like I told Officer
I think he's driving a
the senior officer on duty.
That is me.
He said,
And you're refusing to
said
answer.
Ortiz. Your name badge says
Artez. You see the A here? That's my first name.
I'm sorry.
So, can we get
I
out
already
just so they can move the car?
Alicia, I do remember your name.
It's Alyssa.
Alicia is what you told me.
Okay.
I remember very
So
clearly.
can we?
I refused and you already told me it was okay.
Correct. Now we're just worried about you moving your car, just for your safety, so
I
you don't
already
get hit
told
again.
you guys.
So you're not moving your car.
I already told you.
I'm asking you right now. I need an affirmative answer from you.
The
I
CIA
asked.
told me.
Okay.
The CIA told me.
Okay.
Officers decide to physically remove the woman from the vehicle. They explain she is under arrest and must comply. She goes limp and refuses to walk, forcing officers to carry her to the patrol car. The use of force is minimal. Officers lift and carry her without strikes or pain compliance. Under Graham versus Connor, this level of force is reasonable given her passive resistance to a lawful arrest for obstructing traffic. Officers show patience and avoid escalation despite her non-compliance. They also coordinate with EMS to ensure she receives psychiatric evaluation rather than just jail booking.
Please step out of the car for me. I will drag you out if I have to, but I'm asking you nicely to please get out of the car. The CIA is not here, and you're telling me the CIA told you to stay right here. Okay. Come on. There's you refusing to get out of the car. EMS is on scene. You can look at her. CIA is not here. We're moving this car. Yeah.
I just released. I get their phone number for you. They refusing to stay. So
Okay.
I just give my card double plate.
I apologize. I don't know your name. You're standing above me. You can see on the ground.
Did you attach her yet?
Yeah, she's attached.
Okay. Oh, snap.
You don't want me to do anything when you come on with the ambulance.
Oh, shouldn't have let them go, because I got the ID.
That's tell me who you are, where you are, what today is.
I already answered and refused to talk because you won't sit on the ground.
Okay. That's clear.
How about I sit on the ground? Okay.
That is done.
Alright.
Hi, guys.
Well, she answered appropriately. Do you want an ambulance? I can't do anything with it.
That's fine. But she wouldn't move her car, and she's telling me that CIA, so CIA's not here. Alright.
I guess we're good. He's driving our vehicle, so.
Hang on, actually, did you... Here, let's come over. Can you stay there for a sec? Who's primary? Are you guys all in one bus?
It's us.
Okay. Is your name thing? Oh, his name is not hurt himself.
Together.
Huh?
Together.
Or anybody, to you or anybody?
No,
She's saying that I wouldn't harm
she didn't
herself?
say any of that. No.
Okay. Well, She may not say she want to kill herself, but she's talking about the CIA told her to
Right.
stay here. That's not gonna fly.
Right. Unfortunately, yeah, she's 804.
Oh yeah, thank you.
She's not suicidal homicidal. We can't put our hands on her.
Well, if she's not gonna move the car, we just can't stay here all day. That's impeding the flow of traffic.
That's a media issue, man.
Yep. So with that being said, what is my phone?
Officers successfully placed the woman in the patrol car for transport. They discussed with paramedics whether she qualifies for involuntary psychiatric hold. She answered orientation questions correctly, but exhibited delusional thinking about the CIA. Officers decide to arrest her for resisting and failure to comply after an accident while ensuring she receives mental health screening. This case demonstrates the challenge of handling subjects with mental illness who violate laws. Officers cannot ignore criminal behavior, but they can route subjects through mental health services when appropriate.
I can walk over to
We're going to walk to this car, okay? I don't want to lift you because I don't want to hurt my back or anything like that. And I'm really kind of concerned about that. So I just rather have you sit down beside me. Sound good?
Pretty place?
We're asking you, all right? You're under arrest, all right? So that means that there's certain things that you have to do for us. One of them is to get in the back of that car. Okay? We're asking you nicely, all right? You seem like a very reasonable person. You seem like it. Okay? No? Come on. Watch your bit now.
Just keep it right there.
The officers receive a B because they handled a complex mental health crisis with appropriate force and professionalism. They gave multiple warnings, attempted de-escalation through conversation, and used minimal force when compliance was refused. They coordinated with EMS to ensure psychiatric evaluation. However, they could have called for a crisis intervention team earlier, or attempted to engage her delusions more therapeutically rather than repeatedly contradicting them. Under Graham standards and mental health protocols, their actions were reasonable, but could have incorporated more crisis intervention techniques. The woman receives an F because she refused lawful orders to move her vehicle after causing an accident, creating a traffic hazard and obstructing police investigation. Her mental health crisis does not excuse criminal behavior, though it explains it. She received appropriate charges for resisting arrest and failure to comply. This case illustrates how mental illness intersects with law enforcement. Officers must enforce laws while recognizing subjects needing psychiatric care rather than punishment. The criminal justice system increasingly routes such cases for treatment.
Yep.
You want to just grab her feet, or you can grab her from behind here?
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
There you go. Right there. Over. Okay, I would advise you to sit up straight.
What are your thoughts on this encounter? How should police balance mental health crises with public safety? Should delusions excuse failure to comply with lawful orders? Share your perspective in the comments. If you found this analysis helpful, like and subscribe for more breakdowns. Thanks for watching.